Hey everyone, it's Kaylee here, and I'm just kind of dropping in to do a quick tutorial on how to play Where's My Love by SYML on the ukulele. So, first things first, all I say is that you need to be in tune, and also if you want to play in the same key as the song, then I recommend putting a capo on the 3rd fret of your ukulele. So the first thing we're going to address in this tutorial are the chords. These chords are fairly simple, and I'm just going to assume that you already know them type deal. So first we have A minor, we have C, we have F, we have D minor, we have G, and we have E minor for the last. Alright, so now let's talk strumming patterns. So I'm just going to play it open for now, and then we'll put in the chords after we get the hang of actually playing the strings. So here's what it's going to sound like at first. As you notice, I'm only using the 3 bottom strings, so that's actually going to make it a little bit easier and not as busy inside the actual song. So I'm taking my thumb, my first finger, and my second finger, and I'm putting them on the bottom strings. Each one is assigned to the bottom string. So thumb is assigned to C, first finger is assigned to E, and second finger is assigned to A. So now I'm going to go thumb, first and second finger, and then thumb, 1, 2, and then I'm going to go thumb, both fingers, and then thumb, and then second finger. So it's going. And that's just the entire pattern you're going to be playing throughout literally the entire song. So it's actually quite simple, just get the hang of it. Mainly make sure that you have the tempo right. So let's try it again. We're going to go thumb, first and second, thumb, first, second, thumb, first and second, thumb, second. Now it's time for the chord pattern. So first chord is going to be A, but since we're playing the 3 bottom strings, we actually don't have to put our finger up on the top string because we're not playing it. So you're just going to go. Now the second chord we're going to be playing is C. So now we're going to go. Now we're going to be playing F. As I say, we aren't playing that top string, so you can actually just take your first finger and put it onto the first fret of the second string, excuse me. And now for the next chord, we're playing D minor, and you're just going to take your second finger, put it onto the second fret of the 3rd string. And that's actually the entire verse and half of the chorus of the song itself. So it's going to be. And then that's what you have for the majority of the song here. So as I did say, that the majority of that I just did is for the verse and the majority of the chorus. But as you're going for, when you hear the lyrics like, does she know that we bleed the same? But he also says, don't want to cry, but I break that way. And then that you're going to kind of change it up a little bit. So it's going to go. So A. And then instead of going to C, you're going to actually go to F. And then you're going to go to C, but you're going to do C for maybe 2 to 3 more bars, I think. It's about 2 more bars actually. And as soon as you finish with that segment, you're just going to revert back to the original chord pattern, which is, of course, A, C, F to D minor. So. The last part I really do need to teach you is where he says the lyrics, does she run away? Did she run away? Did she run away? I don't know. And if she ran away, I don't know. And that's just kind of, you're going to be using the G chord. You're going to be using the E minor. And you're going to be using the F chord. As I said before, the strumming pattern remains the same throughout the entire song, so you're just going to go G, E minor, and then F. And then afterwards you just strum down on the F chord. And after you learn all those elements, you basically know the entire song. After that last strum, you just go back to the A, C, F, and D minor chord progression. And then for the next chorus, you'll do half of it, the A, C, F, D minor, and then you'll go to the A, F, and then A, and then you'll go to the G, and then the E minor. Then after that, I mean, you can sing along to it, maybe just play to the track, and that's about it. I hope you guys liked it. It was supposed to be a very quick tutorial, not too long, and I mean, if you want more of this type of short tutorial stuff, then I mean, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. See you later. Bye.